it's Kerry back with you today. I'm here today to draw our monthly giveaway. So if you're new to our channel and you don't know how our giveaways work, basically I pick a video from the previous month and all the comments on that video go into the draw to win a prize. Our prizes vary from month to month, and this month our prize is a collection of faux vintage and genuine vintage bits and pieces, and also one of our documented stamp sets. So I have already chosen the video for today's draw, and it was Mum's Scrap Buster video. So I'm just going to pop the details into the comment picker. So we had 85 comments on that video, so let's go ahead and draw our winner. So our winner is Images by Kim. So congratulations. If you could please send us an email, you'll find our details in the description box below, and we will organise to get this box of goodies to you. To everybody else, thank you so much for continuing to support our channel by leaving comments and likes on our videos. It really does help. Don't worry if you didn't win, there'll always be another chance next month. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.